How to log out of YouTube on other devices. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your YouTube app. Here we go. At the top right, you will find your profile icon. Tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Now head towards the option of Manage your Google account. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now tap on this option of Security. Scroll down. Over here, you will find this section for your devices. These are the devices that you are logged in. Now how to log out of it? All you have to do is tap on this option of Manage all devices. You are signed in on these devices or have been in the last 28 days. If you want to log out of it, all you have to do is tap on the device in this way. Over here, you will get this option of Sign Out. Tap on it. Tap on Sign Out. With that, your YouTube channel will be logged out of that device. So this is how you can simply log out of YouTube on other devices. You can apply the same process to log out of YouTube on other devices as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.